If you want to download GCam on the Poco F8 Ultra, first of all, you will have to start by opening Google Play Store and you have to search for this application. This is the application that allows us to actually download Google Camera. So we have to simply install it and then open and accept all of those permissions. Now, as you can see, we don't have official GCam port for our camera, so we can go over here and we have to search for Poco F7. So let's go here and let's search. We are just searching for the latest version. Right here we can find 9.4, so we can try this one. And now we can close this in the right upper corner. Here we have to click inspect, click to download anyway. Now we have to go for details and wait until this APK file will be downloaded. Now, as you can see, when it's downloaded, we have to just click on it. We have to click on the settings of our browser and we have to accept installation apps from unknown sources. Then you have to click on this icon and wait until this disappears. We have to click OK. There we go. Now click on the installation button. Wait for that process just for a few moments. And now it's gonna check this application if there's no any viruses or some other suspicious things. Now everything is fine, so we can click open. We have to accept all of those permissions. There we go. Click done, and as you can see now, it's opened. We can use all of those modes. You can find the settings and stuff like this. Of course, if you have the latest version for the Poco F8 Ultra, the dedicated one, it will be the best. But that's how you can find this workaround. I hope you find it useful.